Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo the Origami Guitar Flicker by Jeremy Shafer. And the tutorial is in the card. And here it is. And I'm going to flick it right here. Oh yeah. It's not really the best flying flicker in the world because it's not completely flat. But it does fly pretty good though. It's a pretty good flicker. I think it's cool how it spins a lot in the air like that. And I think it's really cool looking too. It looks just like a guitar. Oh yeah. Yep, and I folded this from a 6" square of Kami, by the way. Yeah, if you really want one to fly the best, I recommend using like a 6" square or something. Okay, one last time. Yeah. Alright, well that's pretty much it. Well, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.